All right, so a very good evening, everyone. So today is 35th day of my systematic trading, and as you can see that today I suffered a loss of 13,157, that is 0.65 or 66 percentage on my total capital. Now let's go to the market charts and I'll show you like what happened wrong, okay, and where did it like you know today I'll be spending the maximum number of maximum minutes on this chart itself. So as usual we opened absolutely flat, okay, and then immediately there was a down move of 0.3%. So let me just move here. Yeah, so we made a down move of 0.3%, okay, then up by 0.2%, then again 0.4, then normal, then again 0.4, then again normal, then again it went like 0.6, again normal, again 0.2, again normal, something like there was so many choppy moves throughout the day, okay, and the main problem which happened was that my delta trades did not work and the theta trades actually did work. Okay, the theta stop losses were not taken out in these moves, and uh, like till this time, even with this red candle, I was pushed back by 2,000 or 3,000 rupees. I was like minus 10,000 till the end of this candle. There was very nice decay in Finnifty today. Okay, because tomorrow is the expiry for Finnifty. So yeah, the theta actually it worked, all the trades it worked, but the delta trades, man, call stop losses, put stop losses, again call gone, put gone. Even these candles, right? Even these candles like call gone, put gone. Here again call put. Everywhere you will see that. Even the 15 o'clock trade which I count on very heavily. Even this one call gone, and then the very next candle put was gone. Now if the market, it had a very clear direction, if I just go ahead and hide this much portion, okay, so this was the time when I woke up, okay, so at 13:30 I started to look at the markets. Now at this time I was like confident enough that I'm going to make money, because at this time my PNL was only 1,200, and with this particular candle, right, all the put stop losses were taken out. Like all the put stop losses except for theta, all the delta put stop losses were taken out in this particular candle, where the option premiums also spiked a lot. Okay, and then with this candle, every small uptick used to give me like 1 to 2,000 or 3,000 rupees loss. And the market gave me a very nice surprise. I think Adani news came in this particular region only. I'm not sure about that. Okay, so even if this move had continued like this, okay, I mean I'm making so many assumptions here, but let me just draw something, okay, like if this move would have like continued like this, then I would have made money. Or if this move had continued like this, just like it happened yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, see there was a violent up move in the end, and I till here I was like 7,000 8,000 rupees loss, but I ended up in profit by the end. So now today what happened, like from this region, right, if it stayed sideways I would have made money. If it had fallen down violently I would have made money. Or from this region, if the market would have like risen and closed in green, then again I would have made money. But yeah, it was a very unlucky day, and I think many of the option writers are in some pain today. With this move, actually, the premium spikes were crazy in both the directions. It was not like only put side was fearful, but even people were like, in this candle, the call spiked a lot. In this candle or this small uptick, okay, all these wicks, okay. So I hate days like these, and I hope that market either remains, in a very small range. If it has to stay sideways also, it should not be. See these ranges, okay, these ranges of sideways movement, it's 240 points, okay, and now here also it is close to 220 points, and this next range it made close to, not here, yeah, so again 240 point range. So full day it was like, kind of like sideways bias, and as my previous commentary, market used to, remain sideways throughout the day and give a movement in the end. Today nothing happened. It was sideways, but violently sideways, like 0.4%. You cannot call it sideways. Now let me show you my this thing, EOD charts, like how the PNL behaved. Okay, so yeah. So see, this was the point, okay? This was the point where the bottom was made. So this is where all my put stop losses were taken, and this is where all the market fell even further. So I came to a overall loss of 2,000 rupees, and this is the place where market had reversed. Okay, till here market reversed, and my PNL was 12,000. Okay, if it would have gone up from here, I reached again 10k, so I was expecting like it would have closed somewhere like 5 to 6k green. But what happened after this was that after this small rally, again pullback, okay, and then it rallied, so killing all my trades in that particular moment. Now yeah, this is the Nifty. And yeah, VIX was also rising today, so it's like 12.3. It closed at 12.5 or something. So Nifty gave a total decay of close to 15 points. Oh, sorry, 25 points. Bank Nifty gave a total decay of close to how many? 60, 70 points. And Finnifty, it was the best index for today, so it gave a total decay of 35 points. My trades were there in all the three indexes, and unfortunately Nifty was a little heavy today. I don't know why it was a little heavy, but that is how my system is, and I'm not going to change it. So Nifty gave me a small loss today. So Bank Nifty and Finnifty gave me smaller losses. Okay, it was not big enough. Now what happened is that if if this move was completely eliminated, okay, suppose, let me just mark a zone where I wanted the market to not be there. Okay, so if this zone was completely eliminated, this zone and this zone, okay, so I mean, I might be sounding, a little kiddish, but the reality is that you have to accept what market gives. Okay, and yeah, so that's it for today. I'm hoping for a good expiry tomorrow. That is, Finnifty expiry is on Tuesday. So let me see you guys tomorrow then. Okay, till the time, take care. Bye bye.